Hello, Essex County online and hybrid learners. My name is Natalie Beeman and I am the course developer here at Essex. I wanted to go over the Moodle classroom. We're running on a new theme, a more modern look called Boost. So there are many items that are the same if you've taken a class with us before, an online or hybrid course, but there are things that are a bit different. So, a couple of things. Tomorrow, January 4th, the orientation opens. So as you can see, none of the blocks can be open except the online and hybrid. You'll have access to this tomorrow. There will be a video, which is the video you're watching right now, and then the orientation quiz, which is 10 questions. So once I'm done with this video, you'll easily be able to ace the orientation quiz. So a couple of things. Okay, so once you pass the orientation quiz, which will stay open, try to get it done before Monday, which is the first day of classes, January the 8th. You have to pass with an 80, take it as many times as you need to. This will populate this block called class information. In class information, you have professors' announcements. Professors will put up announcements. You'll get a copy to your email, so you want to check back here. You'll have a general forum. You can post questions there that maybe other students may have, and then your professor will get back to you. You have free online tutoring, your syllabus, and then your e-text and any other resources. You do not need to purchase any access codes for e-text or any resources. Your e-text and resources are included in your technology fee, so make sure that you take note of that. Okay. Messages. Last semester you were emailing your professor because Messages was not working. Messages is now working. It's a little bubble icon. Please communicate with your professor through Messages. Okay? That would be the best way of communicating with your professors. Moodle Messages. Okay. The blocks will look like so. So next week we're running January 8th to January 14th. You will see possibly your e-text. If not, you can just go up to class information to view your e-text. And then a presentation, maybe some discussions, assignments, essays, etc. Whatever you see must be completed. So you want to make sure you complete everything. And again, if you have any questions, you're just going to go up to Messages and shoot your professors a message. If there are any issues with Moodle, the go-to person would be your professor first. So you would message them your issue. If your professor can't answer it, they will contact me. If you can't get a hold of your professor, you can always email me at onlinelearning@essex.edu. All your assignments must be submitted through Moodle, so don't email your professors. Of course, if you're in a hybrid course, your professors may say that you have to hand it in class, hand in an assignment or an essay, but in an online course, you must submit everything through Moodlerooms, okay? For an assignment, for example, you'll have the assignment up here. It's going to say exactly what you have to do, and you would have an upload button where you can actually upload the file. So it would ask you where you would want to get it from, and you would take it from there. It's very simple. So you would, I see view all submissions because I'm on the professor side, but you would see upload here. So you would go ahead and upload your assignment. In terms of grades, how would you know how you're doing in a class? Okay. So for grades, I'm going to switch the role to a student so you see exactly. Okay. So for grades, you're going to just hit this toggle right here. Okay, and you'd have the grades button. And then it would take you to your grades and any feedback that your professor has given you. The last thing I want to bring to your attention are quizzes and tests. Any quiz or test usually has a time connected to it. Whether it does or not, once you open a quiz, you cannot go back into it. So make sure that when you open it, you're ready to actually complete it, okay? So once again, you must complete a quiz or test once it is opened, or else it will go in as if you didn't answer anything and then you would automatically get an F. So please take note of that. I wish you all a great semester, and of course, any questions, reach out to your professors. If you don't get a hold of your professors, then you can always email me at onlinelearning@essex.edu. All the best.